how to turn on NSFW on Talkie app. So this is very important because when you're making an account, make sure your account is above 18 years old. Right, so I will select here and I will select my gender and click on enter Talkie. Now this is really important, right? Now here open the Talkie app, and if you have start a conversation, for example, let's say I want to start a conversation here. Right, now use the command in the message input. You have to search for, you have to type on turn on sensors, right? So here you can just write on turn on sensors, press the enter button here. Sensors turn on, what are you looking for? It is asking us right now here to enable NSW content. If you want to disable it, you can type turn off sensor. Right now here I'll just write here turn off, turn on NSFW, and hit the enter icon here. Right, I'm sorry, but NSFW content is not allowed in this platform. Right, so if it is allowed, then usually you will able to turn it on. In this way, this app should respond accordingly, indicating that NSFW mode has been activated or deactivated based on your command. It's important to note that while you can toggle the settings, Talkie generally maintain a friendly family environment and may restrict content depending on user interaction and context. Thanks for watching this video.